Hello, my name is Thomas. You asked for it and we heard you. We are going to do once again an App Store optimization review. And for today's episode, we have chosen the game Let Me Out. So the rules are more or less the same like we had the last time. I have 3 minutes time to do a live audit about the specific app that I have never ever seen before within the App Store. So let's jump right into it. As mentioned, in today's video we're going to review the game Let Me Out. As you can see already from this first screen that we have over here, it looks like a hyper-casual game. Let's click on the app icon and scroll in a little bit more in detail. So what we see is within the title, Let Me Out, addictive puzzle. Then we also see within their app icon they have this nice little shiny car that looks very well. Also, if we look at the stats with 4.7 reviews and 258 ratings, number 13 within puzzle games, this is already a really good notification, or this is already really good signs that we can already see that this game has something going on. If we scroll down a little bit, what is very important, especially when you're releasing a game, is that you need some kind of trailer that is highlighting how your game actually works, so that people already understand what you're gonna do. In this case, I have to say it's super awesome because you instantly get an understanding of what you have to do within the game. So it's about building these tracks where you have to pass your car to the end goal. Let's have a look at the other screenshots. Let Me Out. Okay, so on this screenshot we see that you have to pass your car through traffic, it looks like. You have to build roads to actually do this. You have to fill up the roads, and then once you did this, you passed. So as we can see within the screenshots, this is really some kind of best practice. We have this video that is giving feedback, and we have the screenshots that are already part of the onboarding, so telling you what the game is about. Let's check it out a little bit more. Let's first go to the title, Let Me Out, addictive puzzle. And the subtitle is Daily Brain Training. So I mean, this is really nice. I'm not sure personally if I would really consider this as daily brain training, but yeah, that's a topic for another thing. Let's check out their description. The description seems to be very nice. Also their opening sentence with get tired of boring life is also some kind of funny. At least it brought a smile to my face. So they're doing really a lot of things really well when it comes to this App Store page. Let's ask ourselves the questions, what could they do eventually better? At this for this specific case, I really have to say that they're doing really a lot of stuff very good when it comes to their presence within the App Store. So they nailed the app icon, the app title seems to be very good, also having keywords in there. The only question is if they're also going to rank for those keywords. I'm not sure about that, but luckily tools like AppRadar can exactly help you finding this out. When we come to the screenshots, I mean, they could have put a little bit more love into their video, but actually it's quite okay and you get a good understanding what the game is about. The screenshots could be a little bit more polished, but also over here they look okay-ish, so that's fine. The description looks really good, it is very well structured. And so honestly, I can say that this is a really good example of a best case practice. The next step that I would suggest going for this app, maybe digging a little bit deeper and trying to understand their keywords, and also if they're ranking for these keywords, maybe there is some kind of optimization potential lying around. So if I would have to give this app an App Store optimization rating, it would be probably a 9.5. Because, as mentioned, they are doing really a lot of things really good. Their app icon looks attractive, their title as well as their subtitle looks attractive. Their onboarding video, you get an understanding what the game is about, as well as the screenshots. They contain also information about the onboarding, and you get a really good understanding what you're actually going to get once you download this game. Where I see a little bit of potential, and this is also the reason why I'm not giving them the highest amount of points, is within the keywords they have chosen for the title and for the subtitle, because I simply think they are too competitive. And if you're using competitive keywords but you're not getting rankings for this also means you're not getting any installs through those keywords. So I think that there is a little bit of optimization potential left, but only looking at their App Store presence, really well done. I hope you liked this episode. If you liked it, click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell so you will get the notification as soon as the next app preview is live. And don't forget, keep optimizing. And for today's episode, we have chosen the game Let Me Out. Yeah, it was the right name.